Hey friends, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to fix the net ERR underscore name in your Chrome. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is that you need to clear your browser data. Proceed to your Google Chrome, make a right click and click for open so that you can enter. From here, expand it first. Navigate to the top right corner. You can see there are three dots. Click on it. Scroll down, find for settings, which has the gear icon. At the left side, you can find privacy and security and delete browsing data under privacy and security section. Click for it and then check all of the boxes here. These are histories, cookies, cached, and other site data. Please click for delete data. Once done, wait for some time, and then once you are done with this, I want you to check if the error has been fixed. Yet if not, then we need to move on to the next solution, and that is to flush the DNS cached. Simply navigate here at the bottom bar and then search for the CMD. Type for CMD, and then there you can find command prompt system. Please proceed to the right side and click for run as administrator. Now, if your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply click for yes so that you can continue on running this window. So type for ipconfig space /flushdns. Click on the enter so that you can continue. Then once you have done it, successfully flush the DNS resolver cached. Type for netsh space winsock space reset. Then click on enter. Once you have successfully reset the Winsock catalog, you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So close the window, proceed to the start icon, and then click for this power menu button and then click for restart. Once done, check if the error has been fixed. However, if the error still persists, then we need to change the DNS server. Press Windows key and R key together, type for ncpa.cpl and click for OK so that you can continue. And from here, you can find network connections. If you're connected to a network cable, select on it. However, if you're connected to Wi-Fi or internet, Wi-Fi, then select on it. Make a right click, and from that, you need to proceed to properties. And under the Wi-Fi properties or Ethernet properties, proceed to Protocol version 4 and then click for properties here. So obtain an IP address must be turned on automatically and then use the following DNS server addresses. Turn it on and set the preferred into 8.8.8.8 and alternate into 8.8.4.4. So these are the Google's DNS, the first and the second. Click for OK and close the window, navigate to the start, then proceed to your power menu button, and then click for restart. Once done, check if the error has been resolved. Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you would be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.